Don't let these 3 things hold you back from getting started on creating your first digital course. Hey, welcome back to Brow Tab. This channel is for entrepreneurs who want to take their business, their lives, and their income to the next level by turning what you already know into a digital course, turning what you already know into a way to make money online. I turned what I knew about creating a successful microblading business into a digital course to help others create success in their beauty business as well. After doing this for 5 years, I shut down my microblading studio. I sold everything I had. We sold our house, and now we are living out our dreams of moving to Mexico, all because I turned what I already knew into a digital product, into a way to make money online, and I'm here to help you do the same thing. We are talking about 3 things that are holding you back from getting started with your digital product, with your digital course. Number 1 is choosing your topic, and this is important, but it definitely gets overthought. So think about what you already do, what you maybe already teach, what you have experienced, what you are good at. That one's important. What people ask you questions about, but also what you love, what you're passionate about, what you can't fucking stop talking about, what you are obsessed with. And this is really important in the sense of how you are going to sell your course in the future. You're gonna have to show up and actually create the digital course, right? You're gonna have to sit in front of a camera or create a PDF in Canva and actually put this information out there. And if you don't already love it, if you're not passionate about it, it's not gonna be that much fun. But beyond that, you're gonna have to show up on social media and actually promote your online course. So if you love it, it's going to make it so much easier to show up talking about it. If you're passionate about it, people are going to feel that fire. If you have experience in it, if you're living it every single day, it is going to make it so much easier for you to sell and for you to get other people to want what you have. So don't overthink your topic. There's something that you have that you are so good at, that your experience in is above and unique from everybody else's. Stop overthinking it. Number 2, get over yourself. Get over your imposter syndrome. This is you versus you. So this one, you're holding yourself back. You've picked a topic. You know the topic that you should be teaching on, but you're like, oh, I'm not quite good enough yet. I don't have enough skills yet. I don't have enough followers yet. Why would somebody choose to learn it from me when somebody else is already teaching it? First off, you are good enough. You are ready. Your experience is enough. But the unique way that you are going to show up and share this is what is going to allow you to attract your own students, your own audience, and you're going to relate to them in your own way. So your own way of sharing something, your own way of teaching something, your own way of that you know how to do it, your own unique experience of getting from point A to point B, because remember, that's what we're teaching in our digital course, is the in-between of where they are now to where you are and where they want to get. Your unique way of getting there, your unique experience in between, and your unique way of actually showing up and relating to people. Everybody relates to different people in a different way. So somebody may show up online teaching exactly what I'm teaching right now, sharing exactly what I'm sharing right now, and the way you hear it from me, you love it. You want to continue watching. You want to purchase my digital course and learn how to do it yourself. But you may hear it from somebody else and it may just come across boring. It may come across uninteresting. You may not like them. And it could be very, very similar information. So everybody has a space to show up and share what they know, because the way that they know it, the way that they explain it, the way that they relate to you and they relate to the topic is totally different. If you want the full blueprint, the full step-by-step, my full method that I use to create every single one of my now 47 digital products, you can join your first online course in 60 days. The link to join is in the captions. Over 8 weeks, we're going to be meeting with live coaching calls where I can walk you through the exact steps, starting with choosing your topic all the way up to actually launching and selling your digital course, so that you can get started with your first online course in 60 days. Once again, the link is in the caption. Number 3 is actually getting started. So you may have a topic. You may think you're good enough. You're ready. You know enough. Let's go. But you keep stopping yourself from getting started. So you need to sit down for that first time and actually start brain dumping. So step one is always a brain dump, to get every piece of knowledge, every piece of information, every little experience out of your head onto a piece of paper, onto a screen, right? Type it out, get it out. But we hold ourselves back. We know we want to do this, but we don't sit down and start. And I'm a strong believer in the law of momentum, that once you get started, things start to roll. They snowball, you keep going, especially when you are in love with your topic, when you're passionate about it, when you love it, it makes it so much easier. So that's why these all tie together. But I believe it's called the 5-minute rule. So you force yourself to sit down and actually work on something for 5 minutes. And ideally what should happen is it should continue to flow after you've forced those 5 minutes. The hardest part is actually getting started. Once you're starting, once you get into that zone, it begins to flow. Don't let these 3 things hold you back from getting started on creating your first digital course. I put out new videos once a week. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you then.